Airsoft started in post-occupation Japan. After World War II, the Japanese people were not allowed to have functioning firearms, so they built models. They evolved into propane or green gas powered guns firing plastic BBs, which eventually evolved into early 90s into electric-driven battery-powered guns, which is pretty much our modern airsoft guns now.
Frago number 1, your mission. Go to the airfield and recover the general who crashed in an aircraft. You have to get extracted by 1700. The signal pickup for your extraction. It's a green star cluster. There are insurgents out there. Okay. Mission ends when you get the general in the truck.
Make sure all your seat backs and tray tables in upright and locked position. Lance, you'll take up the TL slot. You got your radio on?
Yeah.
All right. Just communicate with me. When we get in contact, moving buddy pairs, they'll gain the tactical advantage, right? Firepower, and we'll lace these dudes up. Bravo team will pull the extraction. You guys will pull security. Timmy, you guys are going to be on extraction of the body.
Safety's off, ladies. Safety's off.
Alpha team, take up our right side. Go clear those trucks. Alpha team, go ahead and move.
Alpha team, move. Hey.
You're moving right side mode.
Once you got those choppers, keep your eyes on those choppers.
Yeah, spread out. All right, guys, keep searching the trucks.
Yo, check in the beds. Under the trucks.
Under clear.
Keep alert. Alpha, keep moving. Bravo team, move up. Check that chopper.
Good here. Hear nothing. Check top.
Bravo, move up to that Cobra. Rich, go ahead and move up to that Cobra. Let's kill these guys and then we'll fucking worry about this body. Let's go. Lance, watch them flanks. Oh, we're just clearing out these helicopters right now. We gotta find this generally.
Alpha moving.
Supposedly he's in one of these helicopters. We got intel that there's 3 guys out here right now, so we're trying to be cautious rolling up. Hey Rich, speed it up a little bit. Yo, anything moves, kill it. Hey, slow it down, Mo. Slow it down. You know in Vietnam they tell you never to walk on the trails. I never take my own advice. Guys, hurry up. Spread it out. Hey guys, be advised. Stay frosty. Go ahead and move. Guys, keep an eye out. 6 o'clock. They're coming up. Yo, that's from in the weeds back there.
saw? Where's the saw?
Come on, 3! 203!
Firing line up, dude. Firing line up.
Fire line up! Come on, fire line up!
Firing line up, let's go! Flick, 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 flick! Hit!
Which way? Which way? Look behind me. Watch behind me. Turn around.
Go, dude. Get him in front.
Heal. Go.
Get in front. Hit those fuckers.
One more. Who's up?
Let me get Ben Blackjack up. Guys, get security.
One more out there.
out there.
He's definitely sniping. He's
Let me
definitely
get
gonna
blackjack.
get him. Get him.
There's 3 guys, dude.
Blackjack, stay still, man. I got you.
Yo, I got left side.
Guys, keep security. Let me deal with the fucking PO. How many more guys who got hit?
There's 2 down, there's 1 more.
Roger. How many of us? How many casualties
Yep.
do we have? Do we have any other casualties?
3 casualties.
All right, guys, get online. Spread out this way. You 2 around the Cobra. Me and Lance are gonna go this way. All right, go.
Let's do it.
Lance. Maul, you keep an eye on this. You're our support by fire, all right? Let's go.
You move.
Yep. Roger, let's get done clearing this out. Mole, come up and heal these guys. All right, hey guys, it's clear. Mm-hmm. We gotta get this done within a half hour.
There wasn't shit. There's a little slump over there.
Okay, well, how we doing on wounded?
Let's go. 3 minutes. Let's go. Let's go. Fine, line up.
All right, let's go. That next Cobra. Let's go. Keep your eye on the high grass, man. Punch up here.
Get the stall right here so we can move up. Watch that chopper. I heard something.
Ben and Paul. Ben and Paul, you guys come with me.
Let's do it.
We're gonna go do this. All right,
We gotta do light. Pull it. Don't get like that.
guys, cover it. Lance, cover this.
Let's do it.
You guys almost healed up over there? All right, Bravo, go ahead, move.
They got ambushed like a mofo. Alpha team was pushing up on the right to secure the Cobras and Kiowas. We took contact from the left-hand side of the road in the little bush grove. I think 2 of our guys got wounded, got them healed back up. We tried to recon. We saw we had 2 enemy casualties. Supposedly we got intel. We got 1 more of the OPFOR out here. So just keep an eye out on him while trying to find the general.